doesn't show any interface with the trunk to me. Okay. We have created a channel group, but I think we have not converted them into the trunk. That is what I am guessing. FA 0 by 2, 2, 3. This was, I think, was getting missed. Let it be up. Then we will see, is it able to communicate with the router or not. And the milestone 2 state in this scenario, in order to establish guidelines for user network access in accordance with the organizational specification by placing only those users who can have access to that data on the VLAN, can reduce the chances of other department from gaining access to the data. No issues, I understand Wong, but still right now they are not able to communicate with the same VLAN. They are not able to communicate with the same VLAN too. That's the issue I am checking on. Successful. That was the issue. I think this was the reason why they were not able to communicate. Let's wait. Okay, let's check. Are they able to communicate with the same VLAN? Yes. Are they able to communicate with a different VLAN? Yes, they can. So, the problem was the trunk was not created. Okay. Now, this is something we have built totally. Now, if you want the different VLAN cannot communicate with each other. Different VLAN cannot communicate with each other. You can just shut down the gateway here. Okay, and they won't be able to communicate. Only the actual VLAN will be able to communicate. Okay. So as of now, for me, if I want to have all the tasks included into the one practical, then this is the one. The only EIGRP we are not doing is this. We are doing subnetting. We are doing trunking. We are doing Ether channel. We are doing router on a stick. Multiple topics we are doing out there. Okay. Do you think it is tough to configure? Mr. If we do not configure the routing, we do not configure routing because they are connected as a sub interface, and sub interface are considered as a directly connected interface. Okay. I'm sorry, I did not get your question. Shut and no shutdown, please. What do you mean? Oh, okay. So how do you rate it? Do you think you will be able to do it or not?